and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
When I tried the titanium surgery for the first time, when I looked at my bump, it was fantastic. No mix, no.
Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Franklin County, Ohio, northern Fairfield County, north central Pickaway County, southwestern Licking County until 6:15 a.m. At 5:43 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Asheville, moving east at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Columbus, York, Reynoldsburg, Gahanna, Pickerington, Bexley, Heath, Granville, Pawtascawa, Canal Winchester, Groveport, Baltimore, Buckeye Lake, Hebron, South Bloomfield, Millersport, Pleasantville, Harbor Hills, Grandville South, and Fairfield Beach. This includes I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 103 and 136. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
Themselves in criminal